Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure to smash guys, hit the notification bell, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyways guys, taking a look at this application here called Now VPN. Very good VPN guys, and we're going to watch the full video so you don't miss anything on this VPN. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
As you can see, this is pretty much the Now VPN application, and I will just say a quick preview of how the application will look once you open it, as you can see here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open the VPN application. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. First off, we're starting off with the servers. As you can see here at the top, you pretty much go there and select. Here you can pretty much see all the servers that they have available. Here at the top, you pretty much have the free servers for you to use, or you can select the optimal server option, which automatically select the fastest server for you to use. So whichever one works for you, all depends on you. Over here you have a favorite section, but that pretty much requires you to pretty much get a subscription. Here you can see all the subscription prices. Here you have a 1 month subscription, a 3 months, and a 1 year subscription, along with the prices. You also get a 1 week free trial, but it pretty much only works on Android. So if you have iPhone, it won't work, but you got a 1 week free trial, and as you can see here, after that you start paying either the monthly fee or the yearly fee. So that's pretty much it for that there. And on the top here, you may see a Wi-Fi icon. All that it is, tap on it, and we'll pretty much refresh these servers and update all these servers. So always do that before you connect to this VPN, so you don't have any connection problems. So we'll take a while to load. So once it's loaded, it's pretty much good to go. So now let's just select one of these servers. I'm gonna go with United States. I'm gonna tap on this server. We'll ask for partition of West. I'm stopping OK. And as you can see here, I'm connected in no time. So very good VPN, very fast as well. And it protects you while you're browsing online. So over here you have nothing much more than some options where you can go and upgrade to the premium section if you can find the subscription page, and you get the account information. Nothing much for that. And also you can sign in as well. So you also can select the dark mode or the light mode, as you can see here, and whichever option you would like to use. Also, if you have any problem with the application as it relates to the subscription, VPN connection, you can always give them a feedback using this option, which is feedback and support. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if you have encountered any ads at all, do keep in mind we need a subscription to remove the ads from the application, as you can see down here. So that's pretty much it for this. And if I miss anything at all in this tutorial, please comment below, and I'd love to help you guys with all of you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys in the next tutorial.